It's definitely a rice killer. This is my beef shell rib potato. It's full of umami and a perfect match for a bowl of rice. It's very simple but takes a wee bit time. Let's get into it. We begin by preparing the aromatics. Smash the garlic. Cut the onions into large pieces. And chili is optional. Now let's deal with potatoes. Simply peel them. Then cut them into big chunks. Cause we're not going to use the potato right away, I'm gonna put it in salt water to prevent it from changing color. Now I'm gonna deal with the beef. Let's remove the bone first. Put your knife against the bone, cut it down. Don't throw away the bone because it's still got a lot of meat on it. Now cut the beef into roughly 2 by 2 cubes. Now we are ready to cook. We heat our pan over low heat. When you can feel the heat, put the beef down. Remember fat side down, we are gonna get the fat from the beef. We'll put the bones in as well. We cook until the fat starts to render, then we'll cook the other side. When both sides are slightly brown, we remove the beef. Then we add the onions, garlic and the chili. We cook until the onions become translucent and soft. Increase the heat to high, add the beef back in. We can remove the bone to get some space. Quickly stir fry for 1 to 2 minutes. Add the sugar. Stir fry a bit. Soy sauce. Put the bone back in. Add the water to cover everything. When it's boiling, cover with the lid. Turn the fire to a low heat. Let it cook for 20 minutes. In the meantime, if you haven't yet, please hit that subscribe button. I make one recipe every single week. Now we are going to add the potatoes. If you prefer really soft beef, I suggest you cook the beef for 1 hour before adding potatoes. We arrange some space. Move the potato under the meat. We let it cook over low heat for about half an hour until the potato is soft. Half an hour later, we should be able to remove the meat from the bone. Now it's my personal preference. I like to cook it for 10 more minutes uncovered until the liquid is reduced. The potato is so soft and packed with flavor, and this part is the reason I choose to make it with shell ribs. It's so good. The beef still have texture, but not too hard to chew. Now I just want a bowl of rice. If you like my recipe, please hit that subscribe button and check out my other Taiwanese cooking videos.